Okay, welcome back to video number 3 for writers. This video is going to cover the uploading client articles stage. Now in the past I requested that writers send me the file so I can then send it onto the client and upload it to the client's Build My Rank account. But now I'm going to ask that writers upload it themselves, because for one, it takes out the middleman. For two, it's not difficult, it's no more extra time really, and thirdly, it means that you can be accountable for your articles. So sometimes I'm receiving articles, they haven't quite got 150 words, or perhaps there's a problem with the title or something. Well, through submitting it yourself to the Build My Rank network, which is simple, I'll show you in a minute, it means that you're immediately going to get either an acceptance or a file telling you that it's imperfect and it needs to be changed, and then you can just go in, change it quickly, and then re-upload it and ensure the client gets all of their articles. So that'll, perhaps in many cases be 100 articles. We do offer a 100% approval rate, so every article has to be accepted into the Build My Rank network. But it's not too difficult to do, and once you've got some experience doing it, it's nice and easy, in fact. Okay, so just as a quick note before I get into it, some clients may request the articles directly, in which case please request the client's email from our project manager, and you'll find the project manager, that's the person who lists these projects. Okay, so you come back to the project page and then you can just write in here, can I request the email please? But in most cases, you're going to be able to go to the Build My Rank upload page. Okay, so we go to Tools. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, so admin for writers account. Now, on the page that you've got this video, I will put this URL there, so it's going to be nice and easy for you to find. Basically, to get into this, it's PubliCuppa here, and then it's password with an @ sign for an A. But I'll put this all on the page for you, so it's nice and easy. So then we log in. Okay, and this is basically the section of Build My Rank where we, who are offering the service, can come into kind of the back end of Build My Rank and upload the articles for all of these clients. So at the moment you can see we've got 2 pages of clients. And you're going to be able to find your client or the projects that you're working on, the URL in this section, okay? Because as part of the process of clients buying our services, they have to, in most cases, create one of these accounts for us, so we can easily upload it for them, okay? So let's say, for example, you have got this here, for example. Okay, we'll just assume that the articles have been written. That's Ryan Crucial Click. Best name badges. Okay, so we'll come here. What was that? That was a Tuesday. Ryan Click. So we'll come here. Name badges. Best name badges. Okay, so there it is. And all you've got to do is import posts. Add post if you're doing a single one, but we don't do single ones, we're doing them batch. So import posts for the URL. Choose file. It was Tuesday, wasn't it? It was, let's see, Tuesday, Ryan. There we go. Just the name. Now this is going to get refused because there's no articles, but that's a good lesson in and of itself. You'll see what happens when they are refused. So we've got that there. And then my spreadsheet contains a header row. Now what this means, now we're not going to have this, but sometimes these CSVs will have like keyword and URL there, but don't worry about it because it starts from the first row there, as you can see. Right, I've got 30 seconds left, so I'll do this nice and quickly. So upload. Now it's been refused, of course, 30 of the 30 posts. Now you'll probably get 2 of 30 posts could not be saved. Now all you have to do is download the CSV file with errors and then fix the problems. I'm going to do this in the next video actually, and then I'll stick these together in the final video. So bear with me just a second. Okay, so here we are here. Now that we've just had an error message chucked out at us, so basically what we have to do here is download CSV file with, I've already downloaded that. Here it is. Okay, here it is. It's going to chuck out a file with a very long-winded name, just like about 15, 20 numbers. So we open this up, and you'll see in the B column and the C column is where our information is originally, okay? But in the A column, that they've now inserted a column telling us what is wrong, okay? So this one, your post does not have any links, okay? So beyond that, you'd obviously have to fix that. I'll give you a quick example. Bit of a long-winded way of doing it. So we've got this file, for example, okay? I'll just walk you through, in case you're very new to this, I'll walk you through how we do it. Okay, so from now on, this was the old style of doing titles, but now it looks a little bit spammy, okay? So basically what we're going to do is get rid of, the old profile was basically name tags, hyphen, or the keyword, hyphen, and then the first part of the article in many cases, okay? It hasn't done that there, but basically it was this hyphen. Now we want to get rid of the hyphen, okay? So basically, importance of name tags being the keyword. Keyword here is name tags, so you just put name tags, take a part out from the article here, name tags for employees, okay? That one's name tags, if we can get it, name tags and its many uses. You get the picture, and just go through it like that. So you've got the keyword, and you've just got a little explanation there. So it's a very normal looking title, okay? That won't take you too long. Now this is 150 words. It's a foreign comment there. Now this here is interesting actually. You might get called up for that. You may this may be rejected because you have these foreign symbols. Now all you've got to do is delete them basically, and likewise up here you may have a problem where you have a foreign speech mark. Okay, so if you're writing these in Word, you may have a problem. What you need to do is you need to get out. They are called ASCII characters, okay, and they're basically foreign characters. They're decorative characters used in Microsoft Word, but they can't be accepted in Excel. So basically, what we've got to do, you've got to copy it. Okay, go to Find and Select if you've got Excel, and you should have this function in whatever you use. If you don't, you know, it's just ask the project manager and we'll help you out. Replace. You put the foreign icon there, and then you put the normal speech mark here, okay, and replace all, and they will all be replaced, okay. And if you have any problems, you can just contact the project manager or me if necessary. And these are basically 150 words, and you've got the link here, which needs to look like that, okay. Otherwise, you're going to get where are we here? So basically these links are going to need to be exactly like this in order for them to work, okay? So basically you've got the URL here, which is going to be here, okay? Which is going to be column B, it's C at the moment, but that's because we've got this. So you've got the URL there, and then of course you've got the keyword here, wrapped up in this HTML tag, okay, and then you've got 150 words around it, okay, and then you just write the title in column A, which has the main keyword, followed by, ignore all these hyphens, okay, followed by the main keyword, followed by some other relative explanation of what the the article is about. Okay, so name tags and their importance. Okay, it doesn't need to be a fantastic title, it just has to be functional and look very normal. Okay, and so once we've answered to these, your post does not contain any links. Well, okay, we've fixed the link now, you know, as long as it looks like that, that's perfect. And then, right, going down, post title must have at least 3 words, okay, but that's easy if you include the main keyword and then write a little explanation. You're not going to have that problem, okay. Now, the other problem that I find quite often is your post must contain at least 150 words. Okay. Of course, if you get that message, it means that you haven't quite got 150 words. So you just, in most cases, you just have to write a couple more words, etc., etc., and then resubmit. Now I'll quickly show you how to resubmit. So there we go. Choose file again, and just do the same thing. Find your article, which I think was Tuesday there, and then upload. And then you should, instead of this being red, you'll get a green message here, and it will basically tell you that it's done and it's fixed. Okay, and they've all uploaded. And once you've done that, simply come here, come to the calendar. Find your project in here. The project manager would have listed your project here. Let's say you're Thursday, you're Jennifer, okay? Just come here and tick it. Done. That's it, okay? And then it's back to square one, basically. You can wait for another project to be uploaded. I'm going to be hard at work marketing and trying to sell this service. So the project manager will then deal with the orders, and then it's up to you to do the projects, and that's it basically. And hopefully it's going to flow very well. This is a learning curve for me as well, so I'm by no means perfect. This whole this project manager here is all very new to me, this task manager, so I'm certainly learning as well, but I'm optimistic for it. I think it's going to work very well. If you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You know, either find you know, a relevant project here and ask a question here, or you can send questions to, you see here, to the project manager, okay? And then if it's a question she or he doesn't know, you can always eventually come to me and I'll try and help you with your issue, okay? Anything at all. And if I get the same question a lot, I'll just do an FAQ page or something, frequently asked questions. Now, was there anything else I wanted to say? Yes, so we need guaranteed, we need 100% approval, otherwise clients will complain, basically, because they'll be able to see that's reflected in their BillMoRank account. And what else have we got here? Find another calendar, and then tick it out. That's fine. If for any reason you're not going to be able to complete the project, for whatever reason, just please tell the projects manager as soon as possible, so we can delegate it to someone else, and so we can fix it. And that's it. Just wait for another project, and then it's back to square one. Okay. I think that concludes the writer's videos. Thank you very much.